We might be a little over a month from the next Unpacked event where Samsung will reveal the next-gen Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. While the latter model is said to bring more striking design changes thanks to a larger folder-shaped cover screen, the book-like foldable might have a much tamer approach to its exterior and may focus on improving other aspects. You see, up until now, almost all the hype that has been built around the Galaxy Z Fold 5 was mainly because of the fact that the upcoming foldable flagship will have a new Waterdrop hinge that will not only make the phone more durable, but at the same time it will make the crease a lot less visible. Now we have received word that it might not be the case. Based on information acquired by reliable tipster Ice Universe, the crease on Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be 15% less than the one we have seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now, this number seems like such a small decrease because the Waterdrop hinge is supposed to be a revolution in design and take better care of the crease, but it seems that is not going to be the case. Personal views and opinions aside, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have a better hinge and the display crease will be less visible. Furthermore, other recent reports say that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be the first foldable phone to boast an IP58 dust and water resistance rating, even though other OEMs that have used the Waterdrop hinge design before have barely started adding water resistance to their foldable phones. Specs-wise, we're expecting customized variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 just like Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's possible we see another customized SoC chip, along with global Qualcomm availability. That's nothing new for the Z series as there was no Exynos model for the Z Fold 4. Last generation paired 12GB of RAM with up to 1TB of UFS 3.1 storage. We expect that pattern to continue for another year, albeit with a likely addition of UFS 4.0 storage, following the footsteps of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's unclear what the camera situation on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will look like. Leaker Yoj Brar claims we're seeing a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera on this year's Fold, an identical lineup to last year's model. If that's true, it's pretty disappointing. We'd love to see that 108-megapixel sensor make appearance on a Samsung foldable phone, even if it's not perfect. All this said, the Z series is not as focused on camera quality as Samsung's proper flagship series, so one constant remains. If camera quality is a priority, the S series is a must-buy for you. At the end, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 might not be an upgrade meant for Z Fold 4 users that don't have access to the best trade-in deals, but that alone shouldn't make it an insignificant step in the evolution of Samsung's foldable. We'll have to wait and see until next month when the Korean tech giant should unveil its next-gen foldable phones at Unpacked. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.